In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Perplexity Comet browser. If you've been eager to get your hands on this innovative browsing experience, you're in the right place. We'll walk you through each step, ensuring you understand and feel confident about the entire process. First, go ahead and open your preferred web browser. You can use browsers like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. They all work just fine for this process. Next, head to the search engine and type in Perplexity. This search will lead you to the results where you'll find the official Perplexity website. Once you see the Perplexity link in your search results, simply click on it. It's usually a straightforward click taking you directly to the Perplexity homepage where all the magic happens. Now that you're at the Perplexity website, we're going to look for the install button. This button is typically located at the bottom of the homepage. Just scroll down if you don't see it right away and it should appear. Once you find the install button, go ahead and click on it. This action will prompt you to confirm any requirements needed for installation. Simply follow any additional on-screen instructions to proceed smoothly. After you've clicked install, you'll see the option to download the Perplexity Comet browser. Clicking this download button initiates the download of the browser to your computer. Be sure to choose a download location that's easy for you to find, usually the default downloads folder of your device. While the download is in progress, you can continue using your computer. Just ensure that the download completes without interruption for a successful installation. Once the download is complete, navigate to the folder where your new Perplexity Comet browser setup file is stored. From there, double-click the setup file to initiate the installation process. Follow the prompts that appear to correctly install the browser. These prompts are relatively self-explanatory. The wizard will guide you through easy steps such as agreeing to the terms and conditions, choosing a location for the browser, and finally completing the installation. Upon successful installation, the browser will be ready for you to use right away. You might want to pin it to your taskbar or create a shortcut on your desktop for easy access in the future. Congratulations! You now have the Perplexity Comet browser installed on your computer. You're ready to explore the web with all the enhanced features and conveniences it has to offer. Thank you for following along with today's tutorial on downloading the Perplexity Comet browser. If you found this helpful, be sure to share it with others who might benefit too. Happy browsing, and enjoy your new digital experience!